Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video, we will discuss the 5 tones in Thai. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. Thai is a tonal language. That means that the meaning of a word in Thai is not only determined by the consonant and vowel sounds in the syllables of the word, but also by the pitch or tone with which the syllables are spoken. The word glai, for example, means far, while the word glai means near. Both words have the same consonant and vowel sounds in the same order, but the difference in tone results in a difference in meaning. Glai in the middle tone, meaning far, and glai in the falling tone, meaning near. Before we look at the 5 tones individually, I'd like to mention that even though words are written in the letters of the Thai alphabet in this video, a knowledge of the Thai alphabet is not a prerequisite to understanding this video. We will discuss each of the letters of the Thai alphabet individually in upcoming videos on this playlist. The focus is therefore on the sound, particularly on the tones. Also, I'll be referring to syllables a lot in this series. That is because it is the syllable that bears the tone. Words in Thai and in English have one or more syllables. You can think of a syllable as a beat. The word man, for example, has one syllable or one beat. Man. The word woman has 2 syllables or 2 beats. Wo-man. Complicate, on the other hand, has 3 syllables or 3 beats. Complicate. The Thai word glai, meaning far, mentioned earlier, has 1 syllable or 1 beat, as does the word glai, meaning near. Let's move on to the 5 tones in Thai, beginning with the middle tone. You can think of the middle tone as the normal tone. You should be able to go higher or lower than the middle tone. For example, ma, meaning to come. Ma. Ma must be spoken in the middle tone to express the meaning to come. Next is the high tone. In the high tone, the pitch of your voice ascends from the middle. For example, ma, meaning horse. Ma. So remember, ma means to come. It is in the middle tone, while ma, meaning horse, is in the high tone. Let's move on to the rising tone. Here, the pitch of your voice ascends from the lowest point. For example, ma, meaning dog. Ma. Be careful not to confuse ma, meaning horse, in the high tone with ma, meaning dog, in the rising tone. It may take some practice to be able to hear and express the difference in the high tone ma and the rising tone ma. Practicing with 2-syllable words that have both tones will help you figure out at what pitch to begin to express the right tone. The word si, fa, for example, has 2 syllables. The first syllable, si, means color and is in the rising tone. The second syllable, fa, meaning sky, is in the high tone. Si, fa is therefore the color of the sky, which is light blue or sky blue. Such words will help you differentiate the high from the rising tone. Another word in the rising tone is khao, meaning white. Khao. We can now look at the low tone. In the low tone, the pitch of your voice is lower than the middle tone. For example, khao, meaning news, is in the low tone. Khao. Cow in the low tone is lower than cow, which is in the middle tone and means stench. Here again, you can use 2-syllable words with both tones to help you differentiate the low from the middle tone. For example, ti si has 2 syllables. The first syllable ti means to hit or to strike. It is in the middle tone. The second syllable si is in the low tone and means the number 4. Ti si therefore means to strike 4 times, which is 4 a.m. Last but not least is the falling tone. In the falling tone, the pitch begins higher than the middle and falls distinctly. For example, cow, meaning rice or food in general. Cow. Those are the 5 tones in Thai. The middle tone with examples, glai meaning far, ma meaning to come, cow meaning stench, and ti meaning to strike. Glai, ma, cow, ti. In the high tone, we had the examples ma meaning horse and fa meaning sky. Ma, fa. The examples for the rising tone are ma meaning dog, si meaning color, and cow meaning white. Ma, si, cow. We had 2 examples in the low tone. Cow meaning news and si meaning the number 4. Cow, si. The examples in the falling tone are glai meaning near and cow meaning rice or food in general. Glai, cow. It is okay to sound exaggerated as you begin to learn. This will level out with time and practice. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.